shoes right on their way. Oh, what a happy day. Ooh, oh, oh.
Hi, Melissa! Happy 7th birthday! Sana love na love mo si Mami at saka si Daddy. Mahalin mo sila. Kaluguran da kan talaga. And I love you. I can be your aunt forever and ever. Happy birthday!
Oh, what
Hi Melissa, this is Ate Naisi. I wish you all the best and I hope you'll grow up as a very kind and humble lady. And sana, like what Tita Lisette said, always be grateful to your mom and dad. You are a gift to them. Hopefully, you will grow up as a good and beautiful lady. Happy birthday!
Melissa, thanks for having us. We want to wish you a very happy and special birthday.
Hey, happy birthday!
Yay, happy birthday!
There's something different today. I'm on the bright side, and things are going my way. Woo-hoo. Looks like I got out of bed on the right side. There's a silver lining outshining every shade of gray.
Happy birthday, Melissa. Thank you.